Okay, this is life through Sasha's eyes. Oh, move your finger. Got it? Here. Hold it down here. There you go. There. Now go walk around and point it at things that you like. What kind of things do you like, honey? Do you like your blanket? And do you like all your toys? Come over here and do some puzzles. We got another puzzle over here.
Wow. I'm looking at all these things.
You're looking at all these things?
Yeah.
Those are pretty things, huh?
Yeah.
Why don't you take a picture of your felt board and all your animals and your GABA friends?
Good idea.
Good idea. Point the camera at all your GABA friends and your felt board.
Look, I'm putting them.
Yep, turn around. Point the camera at all the animals. Zach, come here. Hey!
Oh,
Zach, here, you take this. Zachary, you come here.
oh, look at them. Look at them. I don't look at my animals.
Sasha, what animals do you have?
I got tigers and lions and hippos and elephants and zebras and monkeys.
Yeah. Point the camera at your GABA friends. No, back up, honey. Back up. Back up a little bit. There. Now, point the camera at all your GABA friends. There's Fufa and
Lula, Rat,
and
Burby,
and
Chili.
very good. See? There's all your GABA friends. My name is Plex. Perplex. Plex, 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 Plex. Perplex. Okay, Sasha, let's go point the camera at other stuff that you like. How about... What's this?
Robbie hat.
Roby hat. This is the hat that brother wears, huh?
Yeah.
You want to point the camera at your brother? Say hi, brother. Back
Hi,
up a little
brother.
bit. Say hi, brother.
Hi, brother.
Aw, he's mad because he can't have the camera. Yeah.
Hey, I just took a picture of brother.
You did. Okay, we're all done taking pictures now, okay?
Smile.
Smile. Click. Good job, honey. Now you smile. Smile. Say cheese.